Ayan, kaka-pick up ko po lang po sa kanya. We're just on our way home. Matagal pag wala akong stroller. Naglalakad kami matagal kasi ang dami pa niyang chichiborechi dyan. Let's go! Papa's waiting! Ni hunong na sang... You don't want cookie anymore? No. Just give it to Mama then.
I don't.
Why don't you want this anymore?
I don't.
You asked for it and now you don't want it.
I
Sige na.
don't
Ali na, sige na. Kinanas Papa. You want your bag?
Yeah.
Other side. Look at me. Yeah. That's a nice one, yeah? Who bought this one for you? Oma or Opa? Yan. Oma Opa? Okay. Both di ay. Malapit na tayo, Zay. Muna among kadugayan. Sige na yun. You wanna see Papa or not?
Yeah.
Papa will go back to work soon. Pila edad ni mo, Day? Day, pila edad ni mo? Unsay ngalan ni mo? Uragi ko rin. Yan, nasa square na kami. I don't see Papa's car. May tao dito. Ipifix ulit yung crack dyan sa wall. Mama was crying. Ayaw niya mapavideo. Guys, naglalambing-lambing lang kami dito. Putla tayo for today's video. Di pa po ako naligo. Pumunta ako sa part-time kanina. Ana? Hello? Minsan talaga ayaw niya mapavideo, so hindi ko siya pinipilit. Do you miss Baby Cloud? Yeah? Mama Oak? Mommy and Daddy Oak? Ayan. Pinakita ko sa kanya yung video ng pinsan niya. mga hapon siguro or mamayang gabi maligo kaming dalawa ni Ana. Normally sabay pa kaming maligo, ako sa shower tapos si Ana sa bathtub niya. Para yung oras ba, makasave tayo ng oras. Manggugulo na naman yan ng mga niya. Ana!
Yes, I do.
Do you like carrot juice?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, I think it's nice. Okay. Do you like candy?
Do you like candy?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like soup?
Do you like banana?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like boterham met kip? Do you like boterham
Nag-Dutch na.
met broccoli? Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
She said yeah.
Oopsie.
Oh, Bafiada. Oh, Bafiada. Oh, Bafiada. Oh, Bafiada. Jingle bell, headed all the way. So pasada the way, sappada the way. Hey, jingle bell, headed all the way. Oh, pasada the way, sappada the way. Jingle bell, headed all the way. So pasada the way, sappada the way. Hey, jingle bell, headed all the way. Oh, pasada the way, sappada the way. Hey, jingle bell, headed all the way. Oh, pasada.
Ay, hindi natulog si Ana sa kwarto kanina. So, bumaba siya tapos pusong-pusong o tulog-tulog. Irag-irag. Ngayon, alas 5 na tapos yan. Pagod na. So, yun no. Ben mo. You look tired now.
No.
Can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss? I love you, Scott. Do you love Mama?
Yeah.
Do you love Mama? What's that here? You don't like Papa?
No.
Ay, sumbong di kasi mong Papa. Actually, guys, yung maganon siya, I don't like Papa, I like you. Pero pag sa Papa niya, sinasabi niya sa Papa niya.
I cannot see.
Can't see yourself? You want to see yourself now?
Yeah.
Pero sinasabi niya din sa Papa niya.
I want to hold.
Oh, sige, you hold it like this, oh. Na, Papa, I like you, I don't like Mama. Like this. Don't cover this one because the camera is here. You hold it like that. And then the camera is here on this side. Hi.
Hi. I cannot see.
Kita na imong muta diha. Be, asa ang mata? Asa yung mata? Mata.
Mata.
Asang ilong? Ilong. We say ilong.
Iyong.
Look here, oh. Ilong. Asa imong baba? Na baba.
Baba.
Asa imong ngipon? Ngipon, be. Pakita ngipon, be. Dara, oh, dunggan man ay. Dara, ngipon, oh. Ngipon. Ngipon. Si ngipon.
Ow.
Oh, don't touch it. Sige na. Sige na. Asa ang dunggan? Dunggan. So, dunggan.
Asaan mata?
Asa imong mata, Mama? Sa
Asan
bapod na.
mata, mama?
Akong mata? Taray. Sunod.
Asan may iyong?
Dara.
Ayaw.
Asa imong baba?
Asan may bapa?
Asa imong
Asan
ngipon?
may mipon?
Ngipon.
Asan may mipon?
Bipon. Asa mong dila?
Asan dia?
Bip, asang dila, be?
Ah.
Dila. Dila. Say dila. Ayaw, ana, apang.
Mama.
Ayaw, oy, asa imuhang
Mama.
dunggan.
Mama.
Oh.
Kay.
Na, noon sarang tani ron. Kada ko sa baba. Mag-count lang tabi. Usa.
Usa. Tuyo.
Duha pa, eh.
Dua. Tuyo. Upat. Lima.
Sunod, unom.
Onom. Pito. Wayo.
Siyam.
Siyam.
Na?
Napo.
Napo!
Nakiki.
Okay, nothing care. One more time. Usa.
Usa. Tuyo.
Duha lagi.
Suha.
Usab. Usa.
Usa.
Du.
Duha. Tuyo.
O.
Upat.
Li.
Lima.
Ono.
Enom.
Pi.
Pito. Wayo.
Si.
Siyam. Napo.
Oh, very good!
see.
Actually, guys, palagi niya nakakalimutan. Oh, ngayon, gustong-gusto na ang camera. Kanina, ayaw na ayaw. Oh. Oh, you're covering the camera. It's here. If you hold it here, then you cover it. See? And you hold it like that. Okay. Just don't drop Mama's phone, ha? Na mata na imuta. Naimuta imong mata. Napagyo kay sipon. Na, sige. Talang, manglimpyo na talang kay... Natay bisita, uya. Okay, so I'm gonna let Anna watch her shows because magre-ready na po ako. Tonight, Ruth's best friend and si Apple, yung girlfriend niya, dito sila maghahaponan. Tante Apple and Omadine Komezo. Toch? Sige, see you na lang later, guys. Malikot si Ana. Yun na naman, oh. Malikot na naman, eh. Mataan, eh. Malikot na naman, eh. Sige, sige, sige.
A few moments later.
Liat na sa doon.
Ana. Oh, yes.
Ay, oy.
Down.
You think you're very wise now, huh?
Look at Polo. Again?
You have the ball, oy. Then don't do that.
I didn't say that.
Yeah.
What is it? What? What? Huh?
Nagisidok na.
What's that? What's that?
Huh? Papa will eat your candy. Don't tell Papa where your candy is.
Where you candy?
Claro, gid
What is that?
Stop.
I didn't say that.
No, oy, if you have the balloon, then Tata Apo will say that.
What?
Life aning bata ay.
What are you walking?
What are you doing now, Anna?
Watching
She said she has to work.
Oh. When she look at
Are you editing? Anna, are you editing your video? Huh? The doctor will check Mama's eyes tomorrow. Yeah, I'm a little bit scared. Yeah, I'm a little bit scared. So you need to go with Mama, yeah?
It's fish, Mama.
What's this? Oh, the shirt. She's watching TV. Huh? Anna, you go with Mama to the doctor tomorrow, okay? Mama's a little bit scared. Bimbay chabang. Yay, okay, May?
Nee, opa mee.
Nee.
Opa.
Opa moet werken.
Nee, opa gaat met jou mee naar dokters.
Waarom gaat opa mee?
Oh, kan ik even jas ophangen?
Nee.
Ayaw na naman matulog. Eh. Yeah, well.
Nou, dan goed, hè?
Mag ik een kusje, love? Mag ik kusje, alsjeblieft? Mag ik kusje? Kaya ni slapen? Ayaw talaga matulog. By the way, kakaalis lang ng bisita namin tonight. Hindi pa talaga ako naligo, guys. Mamaya pa. Pagod na ako. Nag-Chinese po kami kasama yung friend ni Ruth tsaka yung partner niya. Gustong-gusto sila ni Ana. Palagi sila naglalaro. Grabe yung nakita nyo kanina. Grabe yung tawa ni Ana. And also kanina, binisita kami ni Lindy tsaka ni Edwin. Thank you so much for visiting and for the presents. Si Lindy, same kami ng workplace dati, years ago. And now, nagtuturo na po siya sa US and na-meet niya yung niya. May na-meet siya na Belgian na jowa. Yun. So, binisita niya yung jowa niya dito sa Europe. So, pumunta siya dito. And nakakatuwa pag may mga kababayan tayong na bumibisita, lalo pat yung mga kakilala natin dati ba. Yan. So, anyways, bukas. Ha? Yeah, ang cute-cute po ng nila, ng love story nila ba. Hindi. Parang matagal na din sila. Mga 3 years, 4 years yata. Hindi ako sure. Happy ako na nakabisita sila dito. And si Ana, tuwang-tuwa si Ana. Tawa siya ng tawa kasi nakikipaglaro si sa kanya, si Edwin ba. So yes, and bukas pala may doctor's appointment ako kasi i-check yung aking mata. Kasi nagtitwitch po siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano. No, pero dati, nagtitwitch siya minsan lang. Pero these days, I noticed na talagang nagtitwitch siya every day. And yung lang, ngayon nawawala siya. Later on, balik na naman. And dito lang yung dati. And ngayon, medyo nagtitwitch na din yung right eye. So, kailangan na talaga siyang ipacheck kasi natatakot ako ba. Mata kasi. Tapos, sabi din ng in-laws ko na ipacheck na daw. Ganun. So, ipacheck natin. Buti na lang nakakuha ako ng appointment para bukas at 8:30. Maaga kami. So, kita-kita na lang tayo bukas. Ito yung nakaubos ng cassava cake, oh. Dodong, let's go to the Asian store, Dodong.
When?
Maybe Saturday. If I will check if it's open. Kasi magpapagawa na naman to ng cassava cake. Actually, may nag-order sa akin ng cassava cake, guys. You think they will like the cassava cake, Dodong?
I don't know. If they don't like it, it's up to them. It's not your fault. Is what she said?
What?
She heard you saying it.
Cassava cake?
Yeah.
We don't have cassava cake anymore. I said to Papa, we will go to the Asian store, to the winkel, and then New Amaga.
Nee, doe maar eerst tanden poetsen. Kom maar, even tanden poetsen.
Hindi matulog. Ayaw
Ben jij na
matulog.
2 nachtjes doen zwemmen?
hebben ook tandenpoes.
Heb je al tanden gepoetst?
New atan na pasta by oma o papa ha?
Ja, maar ze hebben hier nog geen tanden gepoetst. Kom maar, even tanden.
New atan na pasta, toch?
We hebben ook tandenpoes.
Wanneer? Tiago?
Mama, ik heb ook tandenpoes.
Heb jij dat gedaan, mama?
Nee, nog niet. Oy!
Ik kan dat niet gedaan.
Maybe that was yesterday. Ikaw
Was
na
gisteren,
mumurit.
hè?
Sabi niya, nagtoothbrush na daw siya. Just like earlier, she couldn't sleep, like upstairs. And then, of course, I have the camera on. She said, Mama, I can't go to sleep. She said she already slept well. Sige na.